Dear students, I welcome you all for the design thinking based discussion on antenna design for vehicle to vehicle communication. So, this vehicle to vehicle communication is a modern wireless technology which allows vehicles to exchange information like speed, braking status, direction, etc. And because of this communication, we can prevent accidents and which will improve the road safety. So, to function this system properly, an efficient antenna design is very much important. So, the vehicle to vehicle communication uses the standard frequency range 5.9 gigahertz. And we know the design thinking concept involves the efficient way of solving the problems. It has 5 stages, starting from the empathy, and after that define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So we use this design thinking stages for this antenna design for vehicle to vehicle communication. Let us start the discussion.
Okay, first one is empathies. In this stage, the engineers are focused on understanding these drivers of these real world conditions. So vehicle channels and speed, overlights, tunnels, and etc. So the antennas must work some reliabilities in heat, rain, and vehicle to vehicle communications. So there are the vehicles or transmissions in light signals or slows can cause this understanding the accident. So it will provide the 360 degrees of communication coverage in the real world communications of the road safety.
And my part is defined to identify the core problems. And the most challenging thing is to designing the compact, durable, and reliable antenna to provide a full degree of 360-degree coverage in a 5.9 GHz. And the vehicle should be mounted on it, being through it, and fit to within the limited space and withstand vibrations and temperature changes. And it through the functions, it might be cause a very durable and compact system.
Any of you elaborate the next part, ideate?
In ideate part, we generate the solution for our problem statement. Nowadays, the engineers use different types of antenna like monopole, patch, shark fin antennas. In modern vehicles, they basically use a shark fin antenna fitted on the top of the vehicle because it gives the more coverage and fewer obstruction. Multiple input and multiple output technologies also used for a better output.
Good. Next. Prototype?
Yes, ma'am, myself. Prototype. Mainly the prototype, the calculation is the important part. The engineers used to calculate the sensor and the transformer based on the 5.9 GHz. Since it is an wireless communication, the simulation part is used to test again. So it will be test like radiation wave, frequency wave, VSWR, and etc. So after these all simulation, it is the V2V is moved to the testing part.
Testing?
The fifth part of the design thinking process is testing. Now the antenna is tested in highways and in urban areas in different weather conditions. The engineers will measure the communication range and signal stability and signal delay also. The range is between 300 to 1000 meters. If it is not observed properly and it makes any issues, the antenna will be refined and can be tested again.
Yes. The application part?
And in the application section, the highlights are collision alerting system. Here, the system makes to make the vehicle to talk to each other and alert the driver before a crash is about to happen, so they can avoid the vehicles bump into each other. And next, emergency help, giving ambulance a digital siren so that they can move out of the way sooner. And in traffic flow, through giving proper alert signals and making things work smoothly, which ensures that we don't stuck in the traffic for more time. And to make these things smoother and make antennas work clearly in rain or at high speeds or in a crowded cities.
So very good. You have well elaborated how to design an antenna for vehicle to vehicle communication using all the 5 design thinking stages. because antenna is a crucial part for this efficient communication in vehicle to vehicle communication. Thank you so much for your contribution.
And
Thank you.